Using Face ID with the Chase app is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase mobile app installed on your iOS device. You can download or update the app from the App Store, and now locate the Chase app icon on your home screen and tap on it. Next, enter username and password to log into your Chase account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Settings section. This is usually represented by a gear or profile icon. Look for the Security Face ID Touch ID setting within the app. It might be under a section like Security and Privacy or Settings. Now find the option to enable the Face ID and toggle the switch to turn it on. You may need to verify your identity using your existing credentials. If you haven't set up your Face ID on your device, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face and create a Face ID profile. After setting up Face ID, the app may ask for additional confirmation or verification setups. Complete any required steps to finalize the Face ID setup. Once Face ID is enabled, you should be able to use it to log into your Chase. When prompted, simply look at your device to authenticate with Face ID.